welcome everybody. Fed day and UK budget day tomorrow. Surprise, surprise, we're right on the line here. Let me just drag that down. So bear in mind, we've only, in the whole of 2013 so far, we've only had 1, 2, 3 days under the 8 daily ATMA. That's a Sunday. That's a Sunday open. So we've only had 3 days under the daily ATMA. Here it is. So we're above it now. We break that high. We break that little pennant there, and we are going to 14,620. If the market doesn't like what the Fed have got to say and we break these lows, then I think we're going to start to wheedle our way down to this support here. Okay, RSI is relatively high, so be careful. I would wait. The Fed day is quite late on in the US session, so be careful. But the fact the ATMA is holding, the fact it's almost like a hammer-like bar, more like a doji than a hammer, it is at best sideways, but we're going to get some direction tomorrow. The euro is just clinging on to fibs. We've engulfed yesterday's price action. I think we can't get above this ATMA. All touches of the ATMA are sold at the moment. I think we've got to come down to at least 128 and possibly even a full retrace. If we break that low, 128.40, I think we're coming down to 126.80. Key day tomorrow. I think we may just get. It's nervousness about Cyprus. I think we may just get another couple of sideways days, and then we'll get direction after that. But we haven't really filled the gap. So we might end up, if we could just start to close higher, we might just end up with a close at 130 back end of the week. But at the moment, all touches of the 8 are selling, pullbacks to be sold. So pullback to 129.15 is the next place to get short, to see if that is going to drop through. But to be honest, I'm not touching it. I've not touched that today. Let's look at the 60-minute chart. See if there's any obvious reversal signals in the 60-minute chart. The close at 2 o'clock engulfed the previous 2 bars, so that was the signal up there at 129.40 that we couldn't hold. And we spent the next 2 hours coming down. Okay, so it's not an easy week. No such thing as an easy week anyway, otherwise everybody would be doing this, wouldn't they? So as far as the 60-minute chart is concerned, we've got nowhere near a gap fill yet. That's the highest we've got, 130. We've gapped from 130.60. So that area there, we're now under that. So if we're even in the Asian session tonight, if we start breaking this area here, we might just come down now. But start to close above 129, and then possibly we might be able to get back, wind our way up over the next couple of days, and close this gap. Right, but at the moment we are short, we are weak, and that could be very damaging for the market. Okay, so if you're a day trader, watch out for this 129 level. If you're a swing trader, stand away, wait and see if the 60-minute chart can give us some higher closes, and then we can suggest the potential to get long. Okay, happy trading, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.